Hello, first class, Mr. Dunk here. We are looking at page 75 in our maths books. I won't keep you very long with this because we did look at it in our Zoom last Thursday. But we'll just spend a couple of minutes having a look. Let's zoom in. Where is my pencil? There it is. Why can't I get to my pencil? I'm not sure. There we go. Okay, so the warm-up, we did the little game on Thursday. And so these are just different ways that we can measure length. That is a trundle wheel. So that is, we have one, well, we have a few in school. So a trundle wheel is a wheel that usually is 1 meter the whole way around. So you can use it to measure long distances. And what happens is every time you travel 1 meter, you hear a little click, and then you just count how many meters you've traveled. People can also use steps, strides, paces. So basically walking, and you figure out how far something is depending on how many steps you take to get from one place to the other. But we did say, didn't we, that it does depend on either how big your shoes are, or your feet if you have no shoes on, or how long your stride is. And so people can have different results for the same distance. Piece of string, perfect. Use it to measure lines that are not straight either. They're curved or they go around corners. A piece of string does not need to be in a straight line like, say, a ruler would be. So what you can do is you can use a piece of string to measure a line that is maybe wavy. And then what you do is, after you've used the string and you've measured the line out, you then make the string straight. You pull the two ends together, make them straight, and then measure from one end to the other with one of these things here, a ruler or a tape measure. Okay, right, let's have a look. You color the object longer in each pair. I'm going to get a color. I'm going to get blue. So we're looking not how tall something is, so not how high they are, but from one side to the other, horizontally usually is the best way to look. So from side to side, how long they are. So number one, this top paintbrush is clearly longer than the other one. 2, 3, and 4, I'll let you work out for yourself. C, we're looking for the shorter object. The shorter object. Now, shorter, the word short can have a couple of different meanings. It can be to do with height, so how tall or short someone is, but because B is asking how long something is, I think this time for part C, the shorter object is the one that goes from side to side in the shortest length, or the least length. For example, if you had your pencil sharpener and your ruler next to each other, the pencil sharpener would be taller, would be higher than the ruler. But in this case, I think that the pencil sharpener is shorter from side to side than the ruler. So it's a tricky one. Actually, both of these answers would be correct in one way or the other. Okay, the next three I'll let you decide. Then D, we're looking now not at long and short, we're looking at tall and short. So from tall and short, we're looking from down to up. So who is the highest person? And I think we already did this, and I'm not going to give you any answers for this one, just to let you know that this little puppy here is not part of it. So only use the 6 people here. Okay, if you have any issues, let me know. Yeah, see you soon. Bye.